Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you that how you can make a scrolling Quran video of tilawat-e-quran in Filmora X. In any Filmora, it's same interface of Filmora, different variants. So I am using Filmora X here. So import the audio which you want to use in your project. So I have an audio recorded previously of Surah Yasin, and I have also the pictures of Surah Yasin. So you first download the pictures from the Google Chrome and record your audio or download it from anywhere. Now how you can make the video of scrolling Quran, so let's check. First of all, drag the audio into the timeline, only one audio. um, so check it. So it's the first audio. I am showing you only the template, so you can make by this. So drag first image of Surah Yasin to the timeline, check it. Now I have this is not the picture, this is the video, so remove it from here. Now drag the picture from here on the timeline, check it. So how to make scroll it? So click on it, right click on it, and from here you can check that crop and zoom. So click on it, and from here bottom original ratio, click on it and set this. Now click on pen and zoom and start to the top, and this one page, the select the only page, don't side borders. So check it and click on end and go to the end of the page, check it and click on OK. Now check that. Now how to fix according to audio? Drag it on the timeline and check on it on the last verse of فَأَغْشَيْنَاهُمْ فَهُمْ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ. So when you listen the verse فَأَغْشَيْنَاهُمْ فَهُمْ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ, and so drag up till that. So it is here, so check that. So drag up to that word, click on that from live serum, and next drag another next page to timeline, you can check that, and next is also crop and zoom, click on and set the ratio and pan and zoom. Check that, you can also do like that. So this one, click on OK and drag this. Now check. So this is the video how you can make the scrolling Quran video in the Filmora. That's all in this video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.